Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get and shadow banned from TikTok. So first of all, and of course, you'll need the TikTok application. If you don't have that, just go download it through Play Store if you're using Android system or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and create your account. And if you do have one, just log in and let's go straight to TikTok. So let's say, for example, you want to get and shadow banned because some of your videos get shadow banned. So first of all, let's go to our profile. Let's see, or let's say, for example, that our profile in TikTok has 10k followers, and each video that I post, let's pretend that this one view is like 10k view. Okay, so let's say, for example, that one is 10k, the second one is, let's say, 10k as well, and let's say the third one just gets 2k. That means your video is get shadow banned. So how can I get in shadow banned? That simply, you can just go and re-upload your video. All you need to do, just go to the video that you think it's getting lower views and click at the three dots and just go here and press add delete video. Then all you need to do after deleting the video, go and re-upload your video. If you don't have it saved, first of all, just go and click here at save video, then delete it. Then delete the video. After that, go and re-upload it. But let's say that does not work with you. So all you need to do, just go here and click at the top right, add the three lines here, and go to settings and privacy. Then go, scroll down, and let's search here for support. Click on report a problem. Wait a bit until it loads. Then all you need to do, just look at the top right corner again and click on this icon. Then click on the same icon on the top right corner. Then, if you can see, I already write this feedback. That feedback could get you in shadow banned from a video that you think it's shadow banned. So all you need to do, just write many videos lately are not getting the usual views. I think I have a problem. Can you please help me? And thank you. Make sure first to add this thank you at the end. And if you have one video getting shadow banned, specify the video. If you do have a lot of videos or many videos, just write like that, many videos lately. And if you want to make your video or your feedback more approval, just add some pictures or a video. And after that, just go and click at submit. After that, you'll need to wait a little bit of time. It could be days, it could be 1 week, it could be a month, I can't know exactly. But after that, they will respond to you. And after they respond to you, they will find the solution with you. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.